Hello, I am Alejandra Avila.
Hello, I am Natalia Castañeda. From Bogota News, let's see our weather for today.
Now it is getting cold and cloudy. In the afternoon it will be very hot. Tonight it will rain and the temperatures will drop to 12 degrees.
You can go to the museum, but can't go to the pole. On Wednesday, the weather will be sunny, warm, and windy, with temperature of 14 degrees.
You can do outdoor exercise, but you can't sleep. Then on Tuesday it will be foggy in the morning. The temperatures will be around 10 degrees. In the afternoon it will rain, and at night there will be a storm.
You can sleep, but you can't go shopping. On Friday, there will a big storm, hail, and there will be floods. The temperature will be about 11 degrees.
You can stay at home, but you can't go for an ice cream. Saturday will be a warm, hot, and sunny day. The temperature will be 22 degrees.
You can go to the pole, but you can't wear warm clothes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.